Here's some Flintlock Pistols trivia. Subscribe. Which nation primarily manufactured the famous Baker Flintlock? Is it A, United Kingdom, B, France, C, United States, or D, Spain? The correct answer is A, United Kingdom. Which famous commander was known for using a flintlock pistol? Is it A, Ulysses S. Grant, B, Napoleon Bonaparte, C, George Washington, or D, Andrew Jackson? The correct answer is D, Andrew Jackson. What type of gunpowder is used in flintlock weapons? Is it A, smokeless powder, B, black powder, C, cordite, or D, nitrocellulose? The correct answer is B, black powder. Which two parts create the spark in a flintlock? Is it A, glass and wood, B, flint and steel, C, copper and quartz, or D, iron and rock? The correct answer is B, flint and steel. What is the term for the handle of a flintlock pistol? Is it A, barrel, B, magazine, C, stock, or D, grip? The correct answer is D, grip. What is often attached to flintlock pistols for easier aiming? Is it A, triggers, B, scopes, C, sights, or D, holsters? The correct answer is C, sights. Which country primarily produced the famous dueling pistol, the Divismi? Is it A, Italy, B, Germany, C, England, or D, France? The correct answer is D, France. What term describes the length of a flintlock barrel? Is it A, stock length, B, bore size, C, barrel length, or D, muzzle width? The correct answer is C, barrel length. Which American marksmanship competition features flintlock firearms? Is it A, Cowboy Action Shoot, B, National Muzzle Loading Championship, C, Target Shooting Contest, or D, NRA Championship? The correct answer is B, National Muzzle Loading Championship. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.